Hey YouTube, Steven the Salon Guy here, and I am back with the gorgeous Rachel, and today we are going to, why are you laughing? Usually, hey guys, I'm Steven the Salon Guy, and I'm gorgeous. And this is Rachel. No, so today we've got Rachel, and I want to show you guys a quick blow dry tip on how to defrizz hair, especially if you're kind of on the go, your hair's already dried, you're out all day, and you want some an easy solution to how to really smooth out and defrizz your hair. So I'm going to use a blow dry technique. I just want to show you guys what I would do, what you can do yourself at home too. So let's get started. All right, so the first thing I would suggest is using some sort of heat protectant spray or defrizzing spray. And I want to spray this on the section just like this. Not a lot, but just a little bit. That's going to help coat the hair because remember, we're working with dry hair, so you want to have some sort of heat protectant spray on it and a defrizzing spray. So we're going to be using a blow dryer and a brush. And the whole key to this is really just to help smooth out the hair. And also if you want to help straighten it a little bit too. So typically what I will do is I'll start right in the front because when you think about it, this is the first area that people see. So instead of focusing 6 hours on the back, a quick little tip is to focus on the front of your hair first. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a section right in the front, and as you can see, her hair is dry. So before I start the blow dryer, I just wanna show you guys, you wanna lock in the brush, and you want the nozzle of the blow dryer and the brush to consistently work together. Let me just turn her this way so you can see a different angle. So you're gonna lock in the brush, and the nozzle here is going to work together. Now, you don't wanna just go, all the way down and let go. You really need that heat to lock in the hair and to defrizz it. So I like to do like 1, 2, 3 as I'm turning and then extend all the way down. So I'm gonna show you guys and speed it up and show you the end result. Okay, so Rachel's all done, and I don't want her to see anything. No, but as you can see here, the hair is nice and smooth, and this is a quick tip. This can actually be done relatively quickly, and this is a great way just to get rid of that frizziness. You're in a rush, you want to go out again after work or something, and you won't want to wash your hair, or you want to go from wavy to straight. The key is to locking in the blow dryer, and then going over it like I did with the brush, blow drying it in different directions. That's also the key. As you saw in some pieces, I was blow drying it all the way over to one side this way, then I was blow drying it over to this way to really help lock it in. And then I actually went in with cold air to really kind of smooth it out. And then now, as you can see, she wants to wear it over. She can because it's nice and smooth now, and the frizz is pretty much gone. Well guys, thank you so much for watching. Now Rachel's gonna kill me because she wants me to do her whole head. But anyway, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let us know in the comments below if you found this tip helpful, and we'll see you next time for more videos with the Salon Guy.